So my shifter was weird, so and I had it in the car, it would go down, like it would be basically like this, like it would have some play in it, like up and down. And basically what I see from right here is this boot right here, it ripped. So this right here and this right here is supposed to be connected, and I guess it looks like it ripped. So I have shift linkage over here, I have a boot right here, it's somewhat ripped, but it should work for now. I'll probably go online and find one, but I'm gonna put this on and it should work. It shouldn't have that play, hopefully. And yeah, I'm gonna get to it. All right, I'm done, and it feels a lot more firm now. And then what I was talking about is that I would pick it up and I can move it up and down, like probably like an inch up and down. But now this is as much play as it has. But I don't know if it's me or not, but it feels shorter. I don't know, but I'm gonna show you guys what I just got for Rex yesterday. So here it is. Here it is, boys. I got an intake for Rex, and it's an AEM, but I got it used for pretty cheap for AEM. And when I got it, I didn't see this, but it looks like a hole, and they try to cover it. I'm not sure, but if it didn't go through, I guess we're good. And I guess wrapped it and tape for something about the electrical. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna leave it. As long as it works, it works. That's all it is. And I get more power, the noises, we're good. So yeah, got the intake and I got the headers. But for the headers, if you guys know, I don't have the donut. So right here, I went to the muffler shop and got one. So we're gonna be putting these on, and then I can't wait. All right, so it looks like all I'm gonna do to take off the stock intake is because I already took off all the stock piping that was right here, so that's out of the way. But it looks like I just need a 10 mil Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. So I got everything right here, so let's get to it. All right, finally got it in. Took longer than I expected, but sheesh, so much room now. Now you can see all the dirt and all that. I'll clean it up later. But yeah, so you grab a needle nose, another had a flathead, Phillips, 10 mil, and an extension. And then I took all this out right here, and the intake already came with this one, and then for the coolant one, we had a spare, so it's right there. And I just wrapped it around. It looks stock, so that's good. And luckily, this intake is carb legal, and I got it for cheap. Usually, you know what, I'm gonna let you guys in. Usually these are like around 200, 300 bucks. I got it for 50 bucks. I got it for 50 bucks. And now, onto the headers. All right, so first, gotta take off the heat shield, and there's 4 bolts on there. So I'm gonna have to start taking those off. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but basically, there we go. There's a crack in there. I don't know if it's just a outside layer, or it's actually like cracked. Excuse me. But yeah, it just looks like it's just that part right there. But hopefully it's not actually like cracked through, because I've been losing some power, and we don't want that. All right, we got the headers off, and these are freaking heavy. This was like, I don't even know, like 25 pounds, I'm guessing. And then the new headers, stainless steel, is like maybe 5 pounds. So I'm taking off like 20, something like that. But they are freaking heavy. So now I gotta put the O2 sensor on, and then it should be good. Luckily, my friend came over, helped me real quick, because it was connected right there and I didn't want to break it. So yeah, and then we got a clean bike over here. It's his dad's. Had it since when? I don't know, 2003. So this is an 01 Yamaha R6, clean with that Yoshi. So clean. All right, let's get back to it. Alright, so I got everything on, headers and the intake, so let's hear how it sounds. It sounds a little bit louder, but the real test is driving it. So let's get to it.